Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachael here. But before we get started with this video, I want to give a big shout out to Discovery Natural. I am so excited to do this with her. If you don't know who is Discovery Natural, she is a big YouTuber here on YouTube. She educates young and adult how to care for their natural hair. So I will leave a YouTube link in the description box so you can go and check it out. So guys, today I am doing a collaborating video with Discovery Natural. Yeah. So I will be recreating one of her video. So this video is inspired by Discovery Natural. You guys know I love DIY, so I will be recreating one of her DIY video. Like guys, she has an amazing tons of videos. You want to really go to her YouTube channel, stop what you are doing right now, like stop watching this video and go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and come back. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow her on Instagram, also follow her on Facebook because she has Facebook group and a lot is also going on there. You want to be part of the group also. So guys, this video is inspired by her. I will be recreating it for you guys. So I believe you like it. Without further ado, let's jump into this video.
So this is the ingredient I will be needed to recreate this video: avocado, dried pea and seed. Avocado has an amazing property for our skin and body. It has fatty acid, omega-3, and it is also antioxidant. You want to make sure your avocado pea is dry. So the other thing I will also need is almond oil, but you can use any carrier oil of your choice. I choose to use almond oil because of its benefit. So after that, I will go ahead to peel off the skin from the avocado seed. You want to make sure to peel off the skin because it is toxic. So after finish peeling off the skin from the seed, I'm just gonna start to pieces the pea into my bowl, as you can see me doing. Just make sure to pieces them very well, and after that you will go ahead to chop up your avocado seed. So now I'm going to chop up my avocado seed. You want to make sure to chop up the seed very nice and very small. So I'm just trying to make a very nice pieces from the avocado seed. I will go ahead and add both together and I will just mix it. So when you're doing this, make sure you have your hot water in the fire, but I use a boiler, so I just place my hot water in the pot. I added 1 cup of almond oil. I added another one, which is 2. I used 2 cups of almond oil because I do a lot of pre-poo. So I will just go ahead to mix that together. So after that, I went ahead to cover it with a aluminum foil. You don't have to cover yours, it is totally fine, but I wanted to cover mine. Then this is the next day, but before I went to bed, I changed the pot from this little pot to a big pot. So I'm just trying to move it a bit. Then now is the time to strain out the oil. Yeah. So I'm gonna strain out the oil. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are highly welcome. Please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, also turn your notification bell, because that is how you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much guys. I do appreciate you and welcome back. So guys, as you can see, I have strained out the oil from the avocado pea and seed. So this is how my avocado oil look like. It doesn't matter if there is a particle, little particles, just grab a shift cloth if you have. So I place that into my jar, then I will pour the oil into the shift cloth. So the oil was just coming out on its own. You don't have to do anything. Well, I didn't do anything at all. Did you guys see all the little particles that is in the oil? Yeah, this is why you don't have to worry. Everything has solution, right? So yeah, after finish doing that, this is how my oil look like. I'm just gonna grab my bottle and put a funnel into my bottle and pour my oil into the bottle, and voila, here we have our oil. Like, I highly recommend this oil. This oil smells 100% avocado oil. Like, it is totally worth to give a try. You want to try this out, and please stop throwing away your avocado peel and seed off. Okay, have you ever tried this method? If you have, please leave your comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Discovering Natural channel and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoy watching it. I do enjoy watching this video. I hope you remain blessed and safe. See you very soon, guys. Bye.